Hello everyone, meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2022 Tesla Cybertruck. The 2022 Tesla Cybertruck is the first electric truck. However, shortly after its premiere, General Motors announced their electric future and the comeback of the Hummer nameplate. Nevertheless, the legendary SUV is going to appear as a pickup with an EV system, bringing a few cool features that will make Tesla improve the offer, although the Cybertruck is currently the only concept that had a premiere and test ride. There was another vehicle, Rivian R1T. Expectations were big about this truck, but the interest is fading. The company presented the pickup a few years ago, but the production delays show not everything is perfect about this vehicle. So, the 2022 Tesla Cybertruck won't have worthy rivals when it starts selling. But, expect a competition soon. All this noise and experts still believe that Ford will be the major rival to Tesla. The leader in the truck segment is not going to let it go so easily. A hybrid version of the F-150 is in development, but the arrival of the Cybertruck will speed it up. The highlights of the upcoming electric pickup are impressive. The base price is surprisingly low. You will be able to get the 2022 Cybertruck under $40,000. Of course, that is the version with the shortest range and the lowest power outputs. High-end trucks will be able to return up to 500 miles in a single charge. We will see how fast the recharging could be, and what level of autonomous drive the Cybertruck is going to use. A powerful engine will stop the clock in under 3 seconds before it reaches 60 miles per hour. Again, that is possible if you spend extra and purchase a higher level package. The entry-level truck is going to use the single motor configuration, which will be good for 250 miles. A dual-motor version increases the range to 300 miles. The tri-motor truck could go 500 miles before requiring the recharge. Still, a lot of things will make it hard for you to do the full range, such as proper maintenance, road and weather conditions, and a battery life that drains during some period of time. The tri-motor model will need only 2.9 seconds for 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration. Max speed is 130 miles per hour. Other configurations are not so fast and quick, but the return is still impressive. The mid-range motors can sprint 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, while the entry-level version needs 2 seconds more. The styling and interior are states of the art. Well, nothing less was expected from Tesla. The exterior is made of stainless steel. This will make the Cybertruck heavier, but also more durable. The body won't leave traces of hits, even made by sledgehammer, but the fingerprints you leave on panels will last until dusted.